How to make egg and sausage casserole. 1 pound pork sausage. 1 8-ounce packaged refrigerated crescent roll dough. 8 eggs, beaten. 2 cups shredded mozzarella cheese. 2 cups shredded cheddar cheese. 1 teaspoon dried oregano. Directions: place sausage in a large, deep skillet. Cook over medium-high heat until evenly brown. Drain, crumble, and set aside. Preheat oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit, 165 degrees centigrade. Lightly grease a 9x 13-inch baking dish. Line the bottom of the prepared baking dish with crescent rolled dough and sprinkle with crumbled sausage. In a large bowl, mix beaten eggs, mozzarella, and cheddar. Season the mixture with oregano and pour over the sausage and crescent rolls. Bake 25 to 30 minutes in the preheated oven or until a knife inserted in the center comes out clean. Thank you for watching.